how do we know what is Krishna's will? Or how do we use our intelligence? So for that, Yoga Sutras explain that there are 4 ways by which we learn things in life, or we understand, or we get knowledge through 4 steps. What we need to do is, if we are put in a situation like Arjuna and we have to take the right decision, then we need to understand which of these 4 levels we are in terms of understanding of life or in terms of knowledge, and we need to up our standard. We need to upgrade. Wherever we are, we need to upgrade. So what is the first level? First level is we learn through impulse. Instinct. Like, you don't have to use intelligence for that. Instinct is like if an ant comes or some fly comes on your shoulder. So immediately you will use the right hand and drive it away. And you don't start thinking, analyzing, asking, consulting, counseling. Ant has come, instinctively you remove it. Or you're crossing the road, you see traffic, cars are coming. You instinctively know when to stop, when to go, how to do. So that is instinct drives us. And that's how animals live. So many human beings also live by instinct. But there is a higher level. See, impulse or instinct and senses is one level. So first level of getting knowledge is what? Instinct, where our senses drive us. But there is a second level where it is not the senses, where it is superior knowledge or scripture, and where it is not instinct, but it is intelligence. We understand, hey, what is this happening? Why is this happening? Oh, what should I do? And then we use our superior intelligence, what we have learned from elders or from wisdom book. There is a very nice quote I had read many years ago, that between stimulus means what happens to us, and our response to it, between the stimulus and response, there is a space, and in that space lies our freedom, and in that freedom lies our growth, success and happiness. So we all are put in the situation where we need to use our intelligence, and that time our knowledge that we acquire from superiors, from wisdom books, it all comes handy. Most people live in these 2 levels of knowledge, but there is a third which is very, very important. That is knowledge based not on simply instinct or intelligence, but intuition. Or it is not simply based on your senses or superior books, but it is based on the soul. So what is intuition? Intuition is, I don't know if I've experienced, sometimes when you are hearing something, reading something, or you are sitting, suddenly you know something, and there is no logic, but you are convinced, and you just it's like what you say, realization. It's like this is right. It is not opposite of intelligence. It is not contradictory to intelligence, but it is beyond intelligence. You just know it. It is basically digested knowledge. Whatever you have been knowing, it is digested when you get intuition. Means there is no explanation. You just know it. It's a flash, it comes. It comes in a flash. This is right, this is wrong, you should not do this, you should do this is the way it is. And you just know it. Intelligence, when we read scriptures for a long time, that knowledge, that understanding, that our intelligence gets purified and our intelligence gets us to the door of intuition and then leaves us. Means we know it. Right now, for most of us, we are stuck at the first 2 levels of knowledge. We act according to instinct or we act according to our intelligence. So although our intelligence is getting purified when we read scriptures, but at the same time, because we are conditioned by our own anarthas, our own samskaras, it is at the level of I. When I am reading, I want to know. It is I level. That's why intuition is also connected to what we know in the past. Therefore, we need to upgrade to the 4th level of knowledge, where knowledge is not simply based on our instinct or intelligence, or also it is not based on intuition, but it is based on being an instrument in the Lord's hand. It is not simply based on senses or scriptures, or it is not simply based on the level of the soul. It is based on the level of the super soul.